Hello! Welcome to Plywoo. Have you ever heard the word plywood, but you're not sure what it is? Today, I'll explain it easy, fast, and with real examples for your DIY projects. But first, remember to subscribe to get the best guides and tips from Plywoo. Let's get started. Plywood is a material made from thin layers of wood glued together, but its real magic lies in its strength and versatility. This material is used in construction, furniture, decoration, and even in creative projects such as custom desks or decorative panels. What makes it special is how it is manufactured. The layers are placed crosswise to make it stronger, preventing it from warping over time. And did you know there are different types of plywood? Like Baltic birch, ideal for fine finishes, or RTD plywood, designed to resist moisture? If you are a DIY lover, this material is perfect. You can cut it, sand it, stain it, and it adapts to almost any style. Plus, it's less expensive than many solid woods, and its environmental impact can be less if you choose certified options. Of course, not all plywood is the same. You have to look at the thickness, the quality of the layers, and the type of glue used. In short, plywood is a basic for any modern project. Resistant, economical, versatile, and if you choose it well, it will look spectacular. Would you like to see DIY ideas using plywood step by step? Like and subscribe because there are tutorials coming up that you can do at home.